welcome back to my video, and today I would like to talking about a topic that is very important in our society, which is education inequality. Education inequality is the issue that is refers to the unfair differences in education. So that is difference exists from the different people in the group people like that. Like some student is receive a high quality education, a good school, or have the access to the internet. So the other people or the other student is not getting that access, like nothing the access of internet, or not to get a good school or good learning or the good teacher like that. Okay, now so let's look deeper from what the causes this problem and what's the impact and how can we solve it. So now check it out. So what is education inequality? So education inequality means unequal access to quality education. It happens when some people receive better learning opportunities than others, like when not everyone has the same chance to get the good learning. Like for example is some students study in a good classroom, good school, good teacher, but the other students it's not get it, but without book or electric or even the desk or something like that, nothing the access for the good access like that. So this problem is influenced by economic status, geographic, gender, disabilities, and other. So it is not just a local issue, but this issue is global issue. Is in every country is are affected by this unfair situation like that. So what the causes of education inequality? There are many reasons for this issue. The first is economic factors. Economic factors is like some family is too poor to buy or to pay to the good school, like to pay the extra learning or just buy the stuff like bag or book or uniform or stationaries like that. So the second is location. Usually in the city, many a good school have many good school, and many kids is get the good school in the city, but in the village is just a few good school. Have a good school but a fewer teacher, or the old buildings, or nothing the desk or something like that. Okay, for the third is social issue, like some students are treated unfair because of their gender, like or like this is the woman, it's not too much learning, but I think is the woman, is the girl, is the first teacher for her family when she is to be a mother like that. So social issue when disability, these people is I think these people is have a bullying if in the common school, but there is the good school for disability people like that. So the finally is government policy. As sometimes the government doesn't give equal support to the school, especially in rural or poor areas. All these factors make education unequal like that. Okay, so what the effect of education inequality? The first is keeps people in the cycle of poverty. So the second is limits job opportunities and income. So for the third is create social and economic gaps. So the fourth is reduces a country's potential for growth and innovation. And this education inequality has a serious consequence. When the people don't receive a good education, they remain stuck in the poverty because they cannot get a good job, and it also the good job or job the opportunities job is very limited, and that only for the people have a good education. So this leads to wider gaps between the rich and the poor. They create socio-economic gaps, like make a socio-economic gaps like when the people have a good education, the future is good like that. So make the gap between the rich and the poor people and creating the social and economic tension. So in the long term, a country loses potential because of this education inequality. Fewer skilled workers and fewer innovation, and this is make this country as loses potential, is nobody have a potential, the good potential like that, which harm national development, because just one issue is education inequality. So what the solution to education inequality? To solve education inequality, we need action from both, from the government and from the communities. So for the first is provide free and inclusive education for all. First, education should be free and inclusive so that all the children, no matter their background, from the poor or the rich, like the poor families can go to school. The poor children from the poor family can go to school. So for the second is give scholarship and financial support to poor students. So this scholarship and financial helps should be given to students from the low income families, like to the poor families. Okay, so the third is build more schools in rural areas. The third is we must build the more school in the village, like in NTB, or in the rural areas, and provide them with the necessary resources. Okay, so the fourth is train and support qualified teachers. The fourth is it is so very important to train the teachers well and support them to support them, and they can give quality education. Like this teacher have a good quality. This teacher must to train to be a teacher. So when this teacher is to be a good teacher, the good learners, and this teacher can give the good quality education to the children like that. So the final is support equal education rights for girls and children with disabilities. And this we must protect the right to education for girls and the children with disabilities. So that nobody left behind, like the woman is only in the kitchen like that, is nobody like that again. This we must protect is the girl and the disabilities children is can to go to school like that. So the conclusion is education inequality is a big problem in many parts of the world. Every child should have the same chance to learn and grow, no matter from where they come from the rich or the poor families, from the city or from the village. To make that happen, we must work together to create a fair and equal education system. So now, let's support education that open for everyone, so all students can have a better future. Okay, thank you very much to watching and listening my video, and I say sorry if many mistake in the explanation or in my words, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.